Namaste. This is Yelloji Rao Mirajkar. I am international convener for Global Indian Scientists and Developers Forum. The goal here is how can we engage science and technology diaspora for contributing back to our motherland Bharat, to the adopted land at the Karma Bhumi, America, and also the contribution from our seers and rishis, munis from ancient times is invaluable. So we need to give right pedestal for that one. Today, as part of Ayurveda, we are launching a movement called Nutrition 360. It is increasing awareness about what is good for us as balanced nutrition so that we can live happily with health and for live long. Essentially, principles of Ayurveda with modern medicine as well as evidence-based research, we are trying to bring the awareness about what is balanced nutrition for all the age groups. This particular awareness campaign or the movement is in terms of planting a seed in the minds of individuals, which slowly but for surely nourishes, and individually they get inspired and motivated to indulge into good habits. It is nothing but in a way behavioral changes. This is what we want to accomplish through this movement. I am very happy to inform that all the 6 consulates in America, New York, Atlanta, Houston, San Francisco, Seattle, as well as Chicago, they are launching this particular activity, and this doesn't go without involving Ayurveda community, allopathy, lots of well-wishers of health, diet and nutrition, and we work with not only the consulates but also the Ayurveda community as well as NGOs in America. If anyone is interested, you can always join as an ambassador or as a contributor, because there are 340 million people in America, and this awareness is going to help and impact every individual in case if they accept in their life, adapt in their life, and bring some changes in their behavior, specifically about the food. One final statement: Anna, what is in Sanskrit, is the food what we consume through the mouth. Ahara is consumption from additional other 4 senses. That is why food is not just the food, as in Sanskrit it is ahara, through which we would be able to not only live long but also live happily. Final quotation from Charaka Samhita: if you know how to eat food, no medicine is required. If you don't know how to eat food, no medicine will help you. Thank you and namaste.
Thank you so much.